Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to generate Gemini API key, Google Gemini API key from Google Cloud Console. So we will generate API key from there. We will create a project and in that project, we will enable that API key. So let's see how to do that. Now let's search for Google Cloud Console. Search Google Cloud Console. So this is the website. So here we need to create project. So here we select the project. So first we need to create the project. So this many projects I have created, but let's create a new project. So here we can create new project. So name the project. So I will add testing as a name. So click on create. So our new project is created. So this is our project. So let's select this project. Created our project. Now let's go to API and services. But make sure you have select the project. So go to API and services. Now here we need to go on library section. Search for Gemini. So here we will find different Gemini Cloud Assist, Cloud Assist Management API. So this many API we will found here. So go to Gemini API and enable this API. So we have enabled our generative language API, Gemini API. So go to credential here. So here click this create credential drop down and here we will see API key. So click on this API key. So this is the name of the API key we can change and the API key that can be accessed using the key. So select the project. So we are using generative language API. So click on this and let's click on OK. So we are using generative language API and the rest will be the same. So we will not change the other options. So we can change the restriction of the API. We can apply restriction also and authentication API calls. So let's remain this all the same. So let's click on create. So our Gemini API key is generated. Now let's check this API key. So copy this API key from here. So I have added this API key, this generated API key here. So this is our API key I have pasted here in the .env variable. So it is best practice to save or maintain API key in this .env variable. It's a best practice to store API key in this .env variable. And now let's check whether it's working or not. So this is a basic code like LangChain, Google Gen AI. So we are using LangChain for this, and then .env for API call. So I have stored this in Google API key. So here we are calling our API key, and then the model. So I'm using Flashlight latest model, and then model.invoke. So this is the question: what is the capital of Italy? So let's run this. So our API key is working. Let's ask something else. So our API key is working fine. So this is how we can generate and use the API key, Gemini API key from Google Cloud Console.